Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the image layer and adding a transparency mask immediately. This preserves pixels while you edit. Once added, click the mask thumbnail so your brushes affect mask values, not the image. Make sure brush opacity, size, and smoothing are set to 100% or lower depending on subtlety. Use a soft brush for fades and a hard brush for crisp edges. This step creates a non-destructive workflow, so you can paint back in pixels later. Keep the mask selected as you proceed. You now paint directly on the mask. Black conceals, white reveals, and gray gives partial transparency. Use short strokes for control. Once done with local work, employ selections and the fill tool to change entire regions quickly, then feather to soften transitions. If an edge looks harsh, switch to a low opacity brush and gradually blend. Alternatively, invert the mask when you need the opposite effect. Keep toggling the eye icon to compare before and after, so you understand how each adjustment alters the composite. You finish by cleaning edges and deciding whether to commit the mask. Once satisfied, you can apply the mask to bake transparency or remove it to revert. Alternatively, lock layer transparency if you want pixel protection. If artifacts appear, inspect mask smoothing, brush opacity, and any active filters. Sometimes a low opacity brush leaves faint halos. For stubborn edges, paint on a cloned mask copy or rasterize a merged duplicate, then refine. Finally, save a layered file so you can return and tweak non-destructively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.